When we first started planning our trip to Zermatt, we couldn't decide between the two biggest attractions, Glacier Paradise and Gornergrat. So instead of picking just one, we decided to put them head-to-head in an epic view contest. We started with Glacier Paradise, Europe's highest cable car station. This place looked like a Bond villain lair.
So, number one, was this worth $200?
Yes, absolutely.
I agree.
I've never been more scared for $200.
I definitely have. Tower of Terror definitely beat this in terms of fear.
Tower of Terror wasn't $200.
Well, Disney is. But anyway, and I am super impressed with the view.
Our only regret was that we didn't have much time because it was so late in the day and I started to feel really woozy.
It feels like a panic attack for me, which is like a normal occurrence. But I know that I'm like really happy and not anxious at all at the moment, so I know it's not a panic attack. I know it's altitude.
What is this?
What? I wouldn't spend so much time on top of you to do this.
We are inside the glacier.
This is cool.
Insane.
With only about 5 minutes before the last car down, we had to fly through this tunnel, but it was so cool.
Feeling better?
I'm feeling much better.
Much lower.
But we're also like maybe 1,000 meters lower, maybe more.
I think we're like halfway down.
Oh, we are. This is a...
If this is 9,000 feet, what was the other one at?
I have no idea.
The answer to that question is that Glacier Paradise is 3,883 meters above sea level. It's no wonder I was feeling the altitude.
So it is a gorgeous day in Switzerland, like gorgeous. So we have decided that instead of taking the last gondola down the hill from our Glacier Paradise little excursion, we are gonna hike down. We may regret this because we are very out of shape.
Spoiler alert, there were no regrets. This was an awesome hike and we highly recommend it. The next morning we boarded the first train for Gornergrat.
Have you had breakfast in worse places?
Yeah.
Have you had worse breakfasts?
Yes.
Even though you don't like this croissant?
Do not like this.
That's okay, because we have this view.
So unlike yesterday, I am not feeling the altitude as much, but just a little bit. But like no like feeling like I'm gonna pass out. And Andy's not feeling it at all. So if you're altitude sensitive, this might be a better option for you.
The reason for this might be that Gornergrat is only at 3,089 meters instead of almost 4,000. Don't get me wrong, it's still really high, but that extra 1,000 meters really made a difference.
If I've said it once, I've said it a million times. Getting up early pays off. Like, we are the only ones up here. It's really incredible.
I think my favorite part of the train was that there are multiple stops on the way down, and we stopped at 2. The view from both Glacier Paradise and Gornergrat were amazing, and you really can't go wrong with either. But if you only have room in your budget for one, we recommend Gornergrat. The panoramas were less obstructed, and with multiple stops there were multiple ways to enjoy the epic landscapes. And lastly, the train was just more comfortable than the cable cars. We'd love to answer your questions about Zermatt in the comments below. And if you like our travel videos, please subscribe.